Nobody talks about the difference in how girls act when they're sick versus guys, because when a girl is sick, she somehow turns into Superwoman. Like, a girl could have a 112-degree fever, and instead of just laying in bed, she'll start doing chores around the house. For some reason, they get more done when they're sick. I've seen a girl pass out while working at Applebee's before, and when we asked why, her coworker said that she had a 104-degree fever that day. Now, I really hope she wasn't the one making my food, because that's kind of gross, but I respect her for just even showing up. Because when a guy is sick, nothing's getting done. And that's not even an exaggeration. Like, if I even just sneeze 3 times instead of 2, or if I feel just the tiniest tickle in my throat, I'm bedridden for the next 4 months. All of a sudden, I'm telling my mom I don't know how much longer I can make it, and I'm begging her to make me soup, all because I have a stuffy nose. So I don't know what girls take to be like this when they're sick, but give me some!